Hey guys, guess what? It's me. I'm back and in a new apartment. Welcome to my new apartment. I'm so happy that I'm kind of back. Well, I'm feeling back, but I am so happy to share my new apartment with you guys. I told you guys I was gonna move into a new 2-bedroom and here it is. You know, I like to talk too much. So let's get into the video. So this is my favorite part of this kitchen. I built a beverage bar inspired by Farrah from Inspire Me Home. So here we have coffee mugs for my morning routine, and I just placed it here, and we have, not coffee, I don't really drink coffee, hot cocoa. And then here I have all of my liquor. I'm not a big fan of liquor, but when people come over, I like to look like I drink, so it's for social purposes only. But it was really cute buying all this stuff because they have really nice decor at Home Goods. But I have the matching glasses here and the decanter as well. Super cute. And I bought this from, I believe, Amazon. I'll leave the link below, but it holds so many things and it's not even properly anchored to the wall, and it stayed on, thank God. So these bowls, I don't really have a purpose for them. They're just there because they're cute. But they're a really cute set, so I just got them. But this here I do use when my family comes over and I want to like put out something for everyone to share. So in my last place I had an electric stove. I hated it so much, but I kind of miss it because it was so much easier to clean. Now I have a gas stove, and thank you God, because I can make all of my Jamaican food and really cook the way I want to. This is why it took me so long to come back to YouTube. This sofa. This took 6 months to be made. I went to Miami to have the fabric picked out and just to see the sofa in person. I bought it, there was a company here in New York, and I had it, I saw them in maybe February, and it was shipped out maybe 5-6 months later. But I'm so happy with it. I had it made just for me, customized and everything. This sofa is my baby. I don't think I've ever sat on this sofa without protective covering, but today it's a special day. We're gonna make this happen. Make sure I don't have no makeup on my hands because I would literally die. But this sofa is literally my baby. Like wherever I live, I have to have this sofa. Meaning any other apartment tours you guys see, it will be this sofa. 2023, this sofa. 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, it'll be this sofa, okay? I mapped out the living room first. I think that's my thing. Like I always map out the living room first of whatever apartment I'm doing. And in here, I was going for kind of like a very warm study. That's why I have the lights the way they are. And then I wanted to go kind of more, I want to say neutral and kind of like a Bali, airy, warm feel. So I did the wall like this because this was more, I think they call it, well, this is not fluted, but I really wanted fluted walls, and it definitely didn't work out the way I intended it to, but it still looked cute. I had this shipped from Germany. I think some seller on Etsy. I'll put the link below, but the wood is like really nice. It's smooth and super easy to apply. It probably took me maybe like 30 minutes to really do this entire wall. So this chair is so funny because it reminds me so much of my sofa, And it's like not even a fraction of the price, like maybe 0.001 of the price. I think I got this for like maybe $100 on Wayfair. And it's so cute. It's considered a yoga chair. I sit in it just to stretch at night when I'm done working. These curtains, let me tell you, there's a reason there's only 2 curtains up there. Curtains for an apartment of this size, which is a loft, is hard to come by. And when you do come by, it's like $600, $200 each. And then to do the entire wall would probably cost me like $1,000, probably more than $1,000. And I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna have someone sew 2 curtains together and put it up there. And when I did it, I was like, oh, it's cool. But it equated to almost $200 anyway. So I just left it at 2. So that's all I get is 1 and 2, because this is not my forever home. It's far from the ideal place that I would want, but it's working. And this is where all my sleeping happens. So this is my everything. I think I designed this bedroom once I got here. It's a little bit too hard for me to do with my imagination. I wish I had a video of this from when it came in. This thing came all assembled, and I think I brought this in by myself. I did. I brought this in by myself. It's a credenza. I'll put the link for it below. It is so beautiful. It kind of throws off the look, the gold look that I wanted to go for, the warm gold, but it's so nice. Like the details are everything. This is the bathroom. This bathroom is much bigger than my last one, but I still love my last one a lot better because I had a walk-in shower. So this wasn't here when I first got here. It was definitely just a regular old shower. You can kind of still see the plugs that are in here that I'm supposed to put back in when I move out, but I don't know if this is something that I'll be penalized for, but there's no way that I could do a bathtub again. Like, I really wanted to soak in all that stuff realistically, but it's just a lot harder to manage for me than a walk-in shower. I almost forgot. So in here is the washer and dryer. I'm just like y'all, I have a whole bunch of clothes in there right now, so you don't get to see it. Well, guys, I am not done with this house tour, but I am done for today. I will be making another video on my second bedroom and how I turned it into my walk-in closet. But it is holiday season, so I am going to be doing epic things for Christmas. I'm putting up a 12-foot tree in here. So you guys make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and put your alerts on, because you'll be able to see everything that I'm doing this holiday season. But for now, it's time to go. I miss you guys already, but you gotta go. Girl's hungry.